Hi guys, let's work through yesterday's homework assignment, page 417. I assigned to you problems 10 through 14 in the workbook to start practicing these three-dimensional polyhedrons. So number 10, it says identify or classify the solid figure. We're looking for one or two bases. That's what I told you yesterday, is that all figures have either one or two bases. And so there's only two sides that look identical on this one. The other one has more than two sides. The base is a square. You could also call it a rectangle because a square is a rectangle. But I'm going to go with square. And because it has rectangular sides, it is a prism. For number 11, it comes to a point, so that tells us it's a pyramid. We just have to identify what kind of pyramid, and the kind of pyramid is defined by the base that it sits on, the side that is opposite of the point, and that is a square. So we have a square pyramid. And then the last one over here, number 12, we can see that it has square or rectangular sides, so that makes it a prism. And then we identify what kind of prism it is by the bases where there's either one or two that are identical. And these ends here and here identify that it is a triangular prism. Remember that the bases, there can only be one or two of them. So the other sides, whether it's rectangles or triangles, if there's more than two of them, that is not your base. All right, let's move on to number 13. Identify each solid from its net. So you didn't have to draw it out. It just wants you to identify what it is. And in this one, we see that the sides are triangles. So it is a pyramid. And the one shape that there's only one or two of, that would be your base, and it is a square. So this is a square pyramid, which is essentially what this is up here, number 11. So when you unfold number 11, it looks like 13. Number 14, we have our bases in the center, and then we have the outside is all triangles, so we know it's a pyramid. And then center base is a triangle, so this is a triangular pyramid. For number 15, yesterday we drew out what the shape is, but if we identify it, we know that it has rectangular sides and it has triangular bases. So the rectangular sides, because there's more than two, makes it a prism, and the bases are triangles, so it's a triangular prism. All right. Hope you guys felt pretty confident in doing that. If not, don't sweat it. No big deal. We're going to do some more practice this week. And then next week, we'll just come right back to it and keep picking away at it. I hope you guys are doing good. Take care.